Hey everybody, this is Mike Stroud. I want to give you a quick guitar tutorial on the song by Crowder, Let It Rain, Is There Anybody, featuring Mandisa. Very simple song. They play it on the piano, but you can play it on the guitar and have fun. It's just an E major and a B and an F sharp major. And that's how simple the song is. It just kind of plays that pattern over and over. He does some passing chords in there, but this is kind of how it feels. And let's just kind of play around with it and kind of get a feel for it. Just back and forth. That's all it is.
Is there anybody's sunshine been turned to rain? Is there anybody's blue sky been turned to gray? Is there anybody's good time turned out real bad? Is there anyone's happiness turned out sad? And I know I can't trust in the things that I see. All I know is at work and he's working on me.
E and B.
So let it rain, let it pour. Lord, I need you more and more.
Back and forth.
Rain, rain down on me.
There's the F sharp major. That's all it is. Play around with that.
Is there anybody's mountain to talk to?
Hope this helps out. It does that the whole song. It kind of sounds complicated, but that's how easy it is. Just an E and a B and an F sharp major. All right, enjoy that. It's a great tune. God bless you.